Before the college classes, even before the college questions, comes this dilemma. How are you going to pay for it? You might feel guilted into skipping out on your retirement savings to save for them first, but financial advisor Adam Suver says don't give in.
If every dollar that you set aside is for your children's college and they go off to college and don't have to pay their way and you don't have any money for retirement, I think that's a bad place to be financially for you and for your child. As they mature, there's a lot of guilt they'll take on.
Realize you are not the only one in this situation. A study by the U.S. Department of Education shows between 70 and 80% of students work while they're in college. 2/3 of working students work to pay for tuition, fees, and living expenses. That means about half of all college students are helping to pay their way. So after you set aside that 10 or 15% for your retirement, figure out how much of your kid's college you want to be able to pay for. Then set up savings plans to get you there.
Build the habits into your budget as opposed to doing a really detailed budget and saying, well, how much do we have to set aside? Because for most people that's disappointing because you just don't have as much as you'd like. Set up something and eventually your budget conforms to the goals that you have.
Remember, you can get loans for college. You can't get loans for retirement. Giving you more for your money, Lauren Lowry, WTOL 11.